Hello teacher, my name is Yang. I'm 6 years old. I'm from Lam I live in London. Today I'm going to talk about my toy. I have a brown teddy bear. I have a green chain. I have red drum. I have a blue balloon. I have a brown, blue and black ball. I have a blue car. I have a blue, yellow, and red robot. Goodbye,